Hi, my name is Balde. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Today we will see how to create a database in Firebase, and we are in this link console.firebase.google.com, which I will put down below. First of all, if you don't have project in your Firebase, this will be the first step. Get started. Create a new Firebase project. Integrate Firebase products to supercharge your application. But for me, I have already created that, and I have a demo how to do this one, and this is the demo. This is the link which I will also put down below. This is the demo title, how to add Android and iOS apps to Firebase. So you will see step by step how first you create your own project, and then if you have a cross-platform application like Flutter or React Native, this is just an example if you are running on a cross-platform application, but you can choose only one platform if you want. But let's come back here. We just click on this project and then Firestore database. We click on this one. Cloud Firestore, real-time updates, powerful queries, automatic scaling, and MongoDB compatibility. So we click on this one and we click next. Database ID. So by default we have this one as the default. Your location setting is where your Cloud Firestore data will be stored. After you set this location, you cannot change it later. United States, but for me I will select this one. If you scroll down below, you will probably see the right place for you. Here, next. So this is selected by default. You can see here all third-party reads and writes will be denied. What about this one? Start in test mode. The default security rules for test mode allow anyone with your database reference to view, edit, and delete all data in your database for the next 30 days. But we will stick with this one, start in test mode. Now we click on this one, create. Here we go. As you can see, we have now our own start collection. Your database is ready to go. Just add data. So if your front end is connected to your Firebase, you can start adding data and it will be displayed here. If you want to delete the database, for example, you have to come to those dots and select them, delete database. Delete this database. Doing so will permanently delete the database, including all data. After deleting this database, you cannot immediately reuse this database ID until after 5 minutes. Confirm that you want to delete this database by typing its ID. We copy it or write it here, and then we select this one. I will cancel this one. This is the way how you can create a database in Firebase. Give a like and subscribe, and give a comment down below if you have some difficulties. See you next time. Bye bye.